What's up guys, I am Morgan and I'm out at Sound Select Johannesburg. Now, Sound Select is quickly becoming the most talked about auction house in the sound and light industry. And if you're wondering why, you should be at our next auction. We'll be auctioning all brands from new to secondhand and demo models. So if you're looking for a great deal for yourself, or whether you're looking at buying something faulty, repairing it and reselling it on Facebook Marketplace, this auction is where you want to be. Saturday the 26th of August 2023, we kick off Sound Select's 8th auction. A seat will cost you 250 Rand and you can book in-store or online at soundselect.co.za. We kick off at 9 a.m, so come early and enjoy a drink and a snack. I'll be your auctioneer and I'll see you there.